In this video, we'll talk about create a sales funnel. But first, a sales funnel is a series of steps or stages a prospect goes through in making a purchasing decision. That simply means as your leads go through the sales funnel stages, unqualified leads are eliminated and only qualified leads are left with the highest chance of becoming a paying customer. Funnels can be used to promote a variety of products, including affiliate products and or your own products or services. Funnels can be used to direct traffic from a marketing campaign to your website. Of course, utilizing the right technology for your funnel marketing will allow you to generate leads and sales on a 24/7 basis. In the next few minutes, I'll cover the sales funnel stages, along with breaking down the sequence, along with a demonstration of a new software funnel and how you can gain access. Why is a sales funnel important? Well, a number of reasons. It saves you time and money when you qualify the prospects early on. It avoids wasting time and resources on people that are simply not interested. It helps you to focus on the leads that can easily be converted into a paying customer. As well, it's a shorter sales process, which increases your company's revenue. Looking at the sales funnel stages, in this example, there's awareness, interest, evaluation, and action. If you look at the top, the funnel is larger. All of your online cold traffic starts at step number one as the software sifts and sorts automatically those that are interested versus those that are not. It goes to the bottom with which is your highest quality leads, which of course a certain percentage will now become a paying customer. Looking at your funnel strategy in terms of online traffic generation. That would include content marketing. It could include also search engine optimization, paid advertising, and of course, social media like Twitter and Facebook. And of course, one of my favorites is video marketing. And basically, all of your online traffic needs to be sent someplace, in this example, to an opt in page. In the next section, I'll break it down even further. In this part of the sales funnel strategies or sequence, I just want to break it down further. If you notice on the left-hand side, you'll see free traffic and paid traffic. Basically, any online traffic that you generate, you need to send it to someplace. In this case, it's going to be sent to an opt-in page in exchange for the person's name and email address. Of course, you're going to provide a valuable piece of information. It could be via a high quality ebook. It could be for a webinar registration, or it could be for a short video series, say 5 to 7 videos on a topic that is something they're interested in. Next, if you look at the email sequence in front of you, I've given 5 emails as an example. It could be whatever number you decide. However, something important for the first 4 emails, it should be informational and value based, meaning no pitching, no selling of any kind. On the 5th email, you could make an offer for a small ticket item. It could be in the range of, say, $7 to $12 or something along those lines. A certain percentage, of course, of people will become a new customer by buying the front end offer. Now you have a new customer. What do you do with them? Okay, well, automatically the software transfers them over into a new email sequence. And of course, the cycle starts over again by rinsing and repeating. However, if you notice on the right-hand side, you'll see that it's offer number 2. In this case, it could range, it's a little bit higher price. So it could range in the form of, say, between $50 and $100. And again, a certain percentage of your new customers will, again, buy from you based on the valuable information that you're providing beforehand. And again, a certain percentage will buy. And again, the whole idea behind this is to develop a long-term relationship with those new customers so they continue to buy from you. Of course, if you have any questions, just leave them below this video. In just a moment, I'll show you a short demo video about a new funnel building software that will be launching soon. As well, I'll explain how to get notified and access some free bonuses. Thank you for watching this video today. To access your free bonuses, click the link below the video. Also, to learn more about when the new funnel software will be launching, click the link below this video. Thanks.